A quick run through of the basics of creating a quiz in Moodle. I'm in my 11 com page and I'd like to add a quick quiz. So I'll turn my editing on, I'll go down to the section Computer Science, add an activity or resource, and it's going to be a quiz. For this one I'm going to be using I'm going to be writing a question myself rather than using the question bank. So I'll start by giving it a name. I can give it an introduction as well. I would have thought most of the time the questions would be their own introduction. There are many options down here, and once you get familiar with using quizzes, you would probably want to dig into this and look at what's available and when you can review things. In all honesty, you don't need to when you are beginning. It's just confusing. Lots and lots of different kinds of feedback you can give at different stages and in different ways. But let's ignore that. So that's my quiz. I haven't added any questions yet, so I shall go into here and scroll down, edit quiz. No questions. So I'm actually going to, I don't know quite how that ended up in there. Very odd. I'm going to add a question. So my question, nice and straightforward, and multiple choice. I'll talk about the other options in a moment. So multiple choice question. The question name is only important for you because this is the question that you use, the name that you use when you're picking a question out to use another time. The students don't see the question name. So binary, simple, I think I will call this one. The question text, I think I just to save me a bit of typing, I've pasted it in there. And so in decimal, the binary number, they have to come up with the correct answer. So I've got 4 choices available. What I tend to do is I make the correct answer choice 1. It always shuffles them anyway. So the correct answer in this case that's actually 13. And that's 100%. Now, as with a lot of maths, it's either right or wrong, so I'm going to put some other options in here, but these are all grade none. And we can have many options. You can add more. There's 5 automatic, and then you can have 3 more. Again, there's more feedback options that you can add in as you get better at this. There's other options here, settings penalty for each incorrect try. This is only an introduction, so I'm just going to ignore all of those because that's what you can do. So I now have added a question in there, and typically what I will do is I'll just add a bunch of questions here. So I'll just preview the quiz, see how it looks. The binary number 1101 is that's 13. Submit all and finish. This is kind of the student view of it, and then get some feedback. Goodness gracious, I got it right. So going back to the other kinds of questions that you can use. If I go to add a question, multiple choice is the easiest one. True, false is the same. These ones take a little bit of working out and thinking. They're very powerful though. Don't use this close embedded answers close question. The drag and drop ones are the correct close ones to use. If you're just starting out, stick with the multiple choice, get that working, get familiar with that, and then you'll find the rest of them are a bit more manageable once you've got that experience. There you go.